We know that data streams are the connections between Salesforce Data 360 and the source system. So from the source system, we will try to bring data within our Data 360, establishing data streams. We will start with integrating our Sales Cloud objects from Sales Cloud to Salesforce Data 360. So to do that, we will go to Data Cloud Setup. So within Data Cloud Setup, we will go to Salesforce CRM. We see that one Salesforce CRM with name People Who Consulting Private Limited is already integrated. That means Data 360 is sitting on this platform. This org is the home org for Data 360 and it comes with an inbuilt connection. So to integrate our Sales Cloud objects like leads, contacts, we have to install the standard data bundles for Sales Cloud. So we will click on install here. Once we click on install, we get this option. We will do install for all users and click on install option. So we got an email within our inbox that the package has been installed. We will go back to Salesforce instance and open Data Cloud from the app launcher. Within Data 360, we will go to Data Streams and we will click on New option. Once we click on New option, we see Salesforce CRM here. We will click on Salesforce CRM. We will click on Next. These are the available bundles from which we can create our data streams. Now we see that there is a sales bundle available. We will click on Sales bundle. Once we click on Sales bundle, we have these objects ready to ingest within our Data 360. These objects like account, users, opportunity, contact role, opportunity, contact, lead comes all together within our sales bundle. So we can go and ingest all of them together. We will click on next option. So for these objects, we see all these fields checked. If you don't feel you should require any field within our data stream, you can go and uncheck, provided that they are not within the required category. You can do same with contact, lead, opportunity, contact role and user. If you don't want any field, you can uncheck, make sure it is not required. We will click on next here and we will click on deploy option. So we see that all these data streams are created. Whatever data streams were available within our sales starter bundle like lead, contact, user, opportunity, contact role, opportunity, account, all these are the data streams which we got from sales starter bundle are integrated, and underscore home are the suffix which automatically get appended to their name. As I said, we have ingested these data streams from our home org. That is why underscore home is written after each name of the data stream. To identify what is our home org, we can go to Salesforce CRM and we will see an alias called home. So whatever data we get from the home org will have underscore home automatically appended to those data streams. So now to see more about data streams, we can click on lead underscore home data stream for now, and we see that these are the attributes available on the lead data stream. This lead data stream is an active data stream. The last run of this data stream is success. It also has the last refreshed date, whatever records it has processed, and total number of records it holds. You can go to refresh history and see when this data stream was last refreshed. Typically, these sales cloud data streams refresh every 15 minutes. If there is an update to data, it refreshes every 15 minutes.